Good morning, all of you. So, in the last lecture, we were discussing the reactions of anhydrides. We have seen the reactions of the formation of acids from anhydrides, formation of amides, and now the next reaction, that is the formation of ester. Formation of ester from anhydrides. So here it's the alcoholysis, means the anhydrides are treated with the alcohol and heated. So on heating alcohol with the anhydride, acid anhydride. So here this is the acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride on heating with this alcohol will give you the formation of an ester, that is the CH3COOCH3, that is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate, methyl acetate, and acetic acid will be obtained in this reaction. And so here the formation of ester is taking place. Then the alcohol here, it is your methanol. Next is the formation of ketones. Formation of ketones. So we have seen in the reactions of the acid halides that the benzene, the electrophilic substitution of the benzene, in which the hydrogen atom, here the reagent instead of the acid chloride, here we can also use acid anhydrides. And so this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is carried out in presence of a Lewis acid, that is AlCl3. And so this is your Friedel-Crafts reaction, and we get the formation of the ketone, that is acetophenone. Acetophenone and acetic acid. So here the reaction of acetic anhydride or the anhydride with benzene gives you, means it's a Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is the electrophilic substitution is also carried out by using acid anhydride instead of acid chloride. So here we conclude with the reactions of your anhydrides. So we have seen anhydrides are the compounds that is having the functional group, that is RCOOCOR. They are prepared from the acids, that is RCOOH, in presence of aluminum phosphate at higher temperatures. It gives the formation of your ketene, that is here the acetic acid is used, and ketene gives you the formation of acid anhydride by using acetic acid. So here this is the simple thing that I'm just trying to explain, that the preparation methods, then the preparation of the dicarboxylic acids, the from dicarboxylic acids like your succinic acid, on heating we get the succinic anhydride. We get the formation of your succinic anhydride. So these are the preparation methods. Here we are getting the acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO twice C double bond O. Sorry, here O, that is the acetic anhydride. And the reactions, here in the reactions, anhydrides on hydrolysis gives you the formation of the carboxylic acids. The two molecules of carboxylic acids are obtained. Then on reaction with ammonia, it gives you the formation of RCO NH2 plus RCO O minus NH4, means here we are getting the formation of an amide and ammonium formate by treating with ammonia. Then with alcohol, that is R dash OH, here we will get the formation of RC double bond O OR dash plus RCOOH, that is the ester and acid is obtained as a product in this reaction. And on treating with benzene, the hydrogen atom is replaced in presence of the Lewis acid, we get the formation of your ketone. So these are the few reactions, that is the four different types of reactions that we have seen, and the preparation methods, the two preparation methods, that is the from monocarboxylic acid and from dicarboxylic acids. Dicarboxylic acid gives you the cyclic anhydrates, whereas the monocarboxylic acids gives you the aliphatic anhydrates. So in this way we conclude with the preparation and the reactions of ester, anhydrates. Now we will turn towards the next derivative, that is the esters, having the general formula RC double bond O O R dash. So generally the preparations of the esters from alcohols are done from alcohols and phenols, with alcohols and phenols reacts with acid chlorides, then acids, that is RCOOH, and acid anhydrates. So acid chlorides and acid anhydrates are generally used, and so from acids, so the preparation method from acids. So acids on reaction with RC double bond OOH on reaction with alcohols, that is R dash OH, in presence of an acid, gives you the formation of RCOOR dash. Here the liberation of a water molecule minus H2O takes place in this reaction. So this is the simple method, and so here if you want to prepare the ethyl acetate from acetic acid, so here we will have to use ethanol as a reagent, and so the alcohol is your ethanol, and here this is your acetic acid. So we can synthesize ethyl acetate. So here it will undergo the reaction and give you the formation of OC2H5 plus H2O. This is carried out in acidic medium. So this is your ethyl acetate which is obtained. So if you have just compared all the different types of reactions, this is nothing but the repetitions of the reactions that we have seen in the preparation of acids, the derivatives of acids like your anhydrates and acid chlorides. So the same reactions are getting repeated. Some are forward reactions or some backward. Means if you just compare, then the second from acid chlorides, here by reaction of as carboxylic acids, because acid chlorides are usually prepared from using thionyl chloride or phosphorus trichloride or pentachloride that we have seen. So the first of all the acid chlorides are prepared, and this acid chlorides on reaction with alcohols R dash OH, here minus HCl, the H from the alcoholic group and Cl from the acid halides will be replaced, and here you will get the formation of RCOOR dash, that is the formation of an ester. So the simple reaction, that is the acetic acid on reaction with thionyl chloride, will give you the formation of acetyl chloride, and this acetyl chloride on reaction with ethanol, it will liberate a HCl gas, and here you will get the formation of ethyl acetate. So these are the simple preparation methods of the esters. Now we will see the reactions of esters. So esters on hydrolysis. So the first is your hydrolysis. Esters on hydrolysis means CH3 C double bond O OC2H5, that is ethyl acetate, on hydrolysis by using water, that is H2O. But if the reaction is carried out in acidic medium, we will get the formation of carboxylic acid, that is the acetic acid, plus ethanol as a product. Ethanol as a product. But if this same is carried out in presence of a base, NaOH, here we will get the formation of the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is sodium acetate, and ethanol as a product. So this is the basic difference in the reaction. If you just catalyze by using acid, we get a clear acid, that is acetic acid. But if we use a alkaline medium, it gives you the formation of the salt of carboxylic acid, and so this is your sodium formate which is obtained, sodium formate, and this is your sodium acetate, sodium acetate, and here it is your acetic acid. So in this way we can synthesize the different types of we can prepare the acids and alcohols by hydrolysis of the esters. So this is your ethyl acetate, ethyl acetate. Then the next reaction, that is the formation of amides. Formation of amides means esters, that is suppose your ethyl acetate, ethyl acetate on reaction with ammonia. If you heat, means here the ammonia is used as a reagent, and on heating you will get the formation of acetaamide, acetaamide, acetaamide plus C2H5OH, that is alcohol, and ethanol is obtained in this reaction. In the same way, we can carry out the trans-esterification reaction. This also, with this type of reactions we have studied in 12th standard. Trans-esterification. Trans-esterification means when you want to carry out the trans-esterification, so here the reaction is to be carried out with the another type of alcohol, that is suppose like your methanol. The excess of methanol, when it is allowed to react with ethyl acetate, ethyl acetate in presence of a acidic medium, this reaction is proceeds in equilibrium, and so the excess of alcohol is to be used, then it is capable of going in a forward direction and displacing the one of the higher group, and you will get the formation of methyl acetate. So from ethyl acetate we can prepare methyl acetate, and so here from one acetate the another acetate is prepared. So the type of reaction is called as your trans-esterification. Then we can also synthesize or prepare the alcohols, formation of alcohols, formation of alcohols. So here in these reactions, esters are allowed to react, esters are allowed to react with Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX. And when the ester is allowed to react with Grignard's reagent, so here the type of alkyl group which we used in this Grignard's reagent is suppose the different type, and so this Grignard's reagent, the reaction is carried out in dry ether, and here this ester is allowed to react. R is different here, R dash, and this is R2 dash. So here this will undergo the reaction and will form a tertiary alcohol. It will form a tertiary alcohol as a product, tertiary alcohol. So for preparation of the tertiary alcohols, esters are always treated with Grignard's reagent, and so here we will see the reaction, that is your CH3 C double bond O OC2H5, that is ethyl acetate, ethyl acetate, when it is allowed to react with the methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. In the first step it will react this CH3 minus Mg plus This will attack on the carbonyl group of this carbonyl carbon, and the pi bond will break and shift the electron density towards oxygen, and it will give you the formation of a complex that is CH3 here OC2H5 OMgBr. This undergoes the cleavage and the ester group is removed, and so here you get the formation of a ketone CH3OC C double bond O CH3. So the acetone is obtained in the first step, but immediately the second molecule of Grignard's reagent will react with this in the first step, and the second step it will undergo hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, and you will get the formation of CH3CH3 CH3OH, that is the tertiary butanol. So in this way, so here this again CH3 minus Mg plus, it reacts with the carbonyl carbon which is electropositive and give you the formation of the complex, which on hydrolysis gives you the formation of tertiary butanol. So in this way we can prepare the alcohols, tertiary alcohols from the esters. So this was one of the reaction. Then the reduction, the last reaction, the last type of reaction of this is your reduction of esters and formation of the alcohol, formation of alcohol. So here R C double bond O R dash, on reduction by using the in different kinds of reducing agents, here it will give you the formation of the primary alcohol plus the another R dash alcohol. So here we are getting the formation of this product, primary alcohol. So the different types of the reducing agents that are used. So here specifically the lithium aluminum hydride is used. So ethyl propionate, that is CH3CH2 C double bond O OC2H5, that is ethyl propionate, on reaction with LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride, and in the second step it undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, we will get the formation of propanol and ethanol. So here the propanol is obtained as a product, and here the ethanol is obtained. So in this way we are able to see the reactions of the your esters. So esters are prepared from the acids. So we will see this esters RC double bond OR dash. Here how we are preparing this? So the preparation is from your carboxylic acid with alcohol in presence of acid gives you the ester. Then the second from the acid chlorides, that is RCOCl, on reaction with alcohol, that is R dash OH, you get the formation of the ester. Means this is the preparation. Then the reactions, in the reactions we can see the formation of an acid, means the esters on hydrolysis. So here on acid hydrolysis you get RCOOH, and on alkaline hydrolysis, that is NaOH, Na plus OH minus, here we will get the formation of the sodium formate, sodium acetate, means the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is obtained when the alkaline medium is used. If you treat ester with ammonia, here we get the formation of RC double bond NH2 plus R dash OH, means here we are getting the formation of amide, sodium salt of acid, and here we are getting acid. Then transesterification means here R2-OH, the alcohol is used. Here you will get the formation of transesterification, where the condition used is your excess of alcohol is used. The excess of another alcohol is used. Then on reaction of ester with Grignard's reagent gives you the formation of tertiary alcohol, gives you the formation of tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol is obtained, and by reduction, by using the reducing agent like your lithium aluminum hydride, here we are getting the formation of the primary alcohol. Here we are getting the formation of the primary alcohol. So these are all the different reactions. So here we have summarized that the total preparation methods and the reaction of the esters. This is the summary of the reactions whatever we have studied. Then the next is the reactions or preparations of amides. So we will continue it in the next lecture. Thank you.